So hi everyone, I hope that you're doing well. I wanted to come forth and make a quick video to work on the sinuses. So for those of you who are having sinus trouble, especially during this time, you can just start to dig in here with the piano hands and work right in this area for about 60 seconds, okay? Then take your thumb and start walking down the pads of your toes. So do this for all 4 toes. You can certainly work the big toe, as well, but mainly the sinus pads are going to be found on these toes. So yes, so start digging in with the piano hands, like I said, working for about maybe 60 seconds or so, and then just start thumb walking down these pads. So you want to do this also for about 60 seconds. You can work in these areas longer, but just for demonstration purposes, I'm just on a time limit here. And so just make sure that you are working the toes. And right in here, you can start to do where the little hook is, little dip there. Just start working in there, and you'll feel your sinuses really start to move and to shift. But mainly, I'm going to suggest that you just continue to dig in. If you want to do some extensive respiratory work, start working on your lung section right in here and just doing some dot to dot. Working in here, you're going to be working on your thymus gland. So if you just work in these areas 60 seconds each, it will improve your well-being